MTD-CNC have been on an educational journey with one of our clients, Intoco Special Steels and Alloys. It certainly has been educational, and in this little snippet we're going to be discussing the importance of quality and traceability. Now, we've been visiting companies across the UK and investigating their considerations when purchasing material. Our survey has discovered,
well, in fact, over 30% of the companies that we spoke to, just over 30%, had issues with the quality of the steel that they had been supplied over the last 2 years, which we found incredible, over 30%. Now, if that's you and you're looking for a solution, making sure that you get the right quality of material with all the traceabilities that you can expect for high-tech industries and so forth, the types of materials that they supply are going to be listed on the screen here below us, and you can also contact Intoco via these details here to actually find out more. If you've got that predicament, if you've got that problem with the quality of your material, then contact these guys because they could have the answer.